Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is my daily rant. So today's daily rant is the fact that Microsoft is starting to do something that I can't find a positive way of why they do it. And it might actually turn off a lot of people and some of the features and some of the things in Windows. We have already talked about, the requirement for a Microsoft account for a lot of things in Windows. A lot of people are not happy. But there's something more that is slowly getting invasive, and I think it's not a good thing. There should be a separation between Windows and Microsoft products. And here's where it's getting into a blurry line. Apps like Notepad are getting features, AI features. So, if you click, you have a rewrite option, you make shorter, longer, you can actually take a text that's here and have it changed through AI. And it works surprisingly well. I've dabbled with it a little bit. Same with Paint. Paint has new AI features, which some of them are, of course, part of Windows. But like Notepad, the place where I'm not happy is that a lot of these features, like for example the rewrite feature here in Notepad, requires you to have a Microsoft 365 account. You need to be subscribed to Microsoft 365 for some of these to work. And I mean, if you want these features in a Microsoft 365 account, well, then do it in Word. You got Office, so just do it there. Why are you taking something like Notepad, which is a basic text editor in Windows, and saying, hey, look, there's these AI things, but oh, by the way, you need to be subscribed. This is where the mix for me doesn't work. No, it shouldn't be. And anything that is a app that's already present on Windows should work and put the features you want to put in it. But if there are features that require a Microsoft 365 subscription, then just don't put it in. Leave it out. Say, well, if you use like Word and have a Microsoft 365 subscription, okay, here we go. You're going to have all these features. But don't do that mix. Don't say, oh, but the basic apps in Windows also will have some features if you are subscribed to a Microsoft 365 account. So that I can't accept. I'm sorry. Put the features you want in Notepad, in Paint, and whatever other app, in Photos. But these features should work and be there natively to every Windows user, regardless of if they are subscribed or not to some of the other services. This just doesn't go with me. So come on, Microsoft, wake up. You want to do that, just say, well, in Office we have all of this, or in Microsoft 365, these are all the options you get. But don't, that I have no problem. But don't start mixing them with basic apps in Windows and say, well, oh, by the way, these basic apps have other features if you pay more. No, it doesn't work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.